how to hide apps without deleting them. Android, iPhone. So hello guys, in this speed tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So the process was pretty simple, same on Android, iPhone. So for that, I will simply go to settings. Here you guys will search for hired. Now wait for some second. Here you guys will see on top hide apps. So simply click on hide apps. Now on end you guys can see app lock, hide apps, parrot safe, system cloner. So simply click on hard apps. Now you add your mobile password. So I will simply give mobile password. Now here you will see all hidden. Also apps, and with apps you guys will see button type option. So if you want to hide any app, simply select, click on that button. For example, I want to hide my calendar app. So I will simply click here. Now click on settings. Now write access code need to be start with hash, also end with the hash. After that, click on done. And the question is how you wanna see your apps. So for that, you need to open phone dialer where you need to dial that code. Once you dial that code in dial pad, you will be go to these hide apps automatically. That's how you guys can hide apps and protect your phone. Thanks for watching.